Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are back at the pub and we got some good deals this week, and we're gonna get started with the money maker. So you know how I do, we don't waste any time. Let's jump right into it. So first off, big shout out to my sister friend Coupon with T, who y'all know I love. She texted me to make sure that I did not miss this money maker on these eye drops. So this week the Sustain eye drops are $5 off. But you guys, they are priced as low as $6.39. And this that is $6.39 is working for this $5 off sale. So when we buy this, it's only $1.39, which is already crazy. But we also have a digital coupon that's working on this product. So go into your Publix app and clip this $5 digital coupon, because this is also going to come off. And remember, it's only $1.39. So after this $5 coupon comes off, these are going to be completely free, plus a $3.61 moneymaker. Yes, y'all. And then something else I was not expecting is when I scanned in my receipt for Ibotta, I got $3 back for the Sustain. So those are actually a bigger moneymaker because they're already a $3.61 moneymaker in store. But with that $3 automatically coming back from Ibotta, that was a $6.61 moneymaker for that Sustain. Now, one of the best deals that we have this week that is not a moneymaker, but is still phenomenal in my opinion, is on the Cafe Bustelo, because y'all know we do not get this kind of Cafe Bustelo for the low that often. And this week you can grab it for super duper cheap. So check your Fetch Rewards, because I have this offer for 4,000 points back on each one of these bags. I can get the Dolce de Leche, the dark roast, or the medium roast. And these are on sale, buy one, get one for $10.59. So when we pick up two bags, that'll be $10.59. Minus the $8 back total from Fetch, it's going to be $2.59 for two bags of Cafe Bustelo, which makes these just $1.29 each. So this next deal is going to be for my people who live in an area that get this buy two, get one free digital coupon. So not everybody gets this coupon. I know Florida doesn't get it a lot of times, but if you get this digital coupon, it comes in handy right now, because some of the products that are included in this coupon are also on sale for buy two, get one free. And so specifically what I'm interested in is the Dr. Pepper products and the Schweppes mini products are included in the coupon. So I just had to do this real quick at the register because it's been such a long time since I did one of these BOGO deals to see what the coupon was deducting. And so I picked up all three of these. I tested the zero sugar, the regular, and the regular Schweppes, and it did work with the coupon. So with this sale, you're going to get one of these for free with the buy one, get one sale. The coupon is taking off $8.49, so one is going to be 50 cents. And then the third one with this coupon, you're going to have to pay for. So you pay 50 cents for one with the coupon. This one is free with the sale. So you end up paying $9.48 for all three. That makes them like $3.13 per case. And the reason I was cool with doing this deal this week, even though the $3.13 per case is not bad, it's still a little pricey to me, but because we have the overage with the Sustain, it brought this down really good. Another coffee deal that I want to test out real quick is on the Folgers. So these are priced as low as $7.99, buy one, get one. Because I live in a state other than Florida, I can just go on ahead and pick up one of these for $3.99. That is what I'm going to do. Now, the reason I want to do that is because we have this BOGO digital coupon where if you buy this, you're going to get some Hostess donuts for free. And the Hostess donuts are also buy one, get one for $3.59. So I'm not sure how much that buy one, get one coupon is going to take off. So I'm going to do this deal real quick, and then we will come back and we will see how this deal worked out. All right, you guys. So this deal actually worked out better than I thought it was going to. So we got the Folgers for $3.99, and then this was $1.80. But the digital coupon to get one of these for free actually took off $3.59. So we did get a little overage with that digital that applied to this and made final cost on both of these items just $2.20, or $1.10 each. Now, we also have a checkout 51 offer. I submitted back for the $2 on that checkout 51, but I am not sure that that $2 offer is going to come back. Now, the reason I'm not sure, let me show you. Close up of my receipt of me testing this deal. As you can see with that BOGO digital coupon, the BOGO coupon says Folgers and Hostess on it. Because it says Folgers, checkout 51 may reject it, even though the coupon was supposed to apply to the Hostess. Because it has that double wording on there, it might get rejected. But if it does not, if it goes through, I will get back that $2 and it'll make it 20 cents for both of these. So we'll see how that works. Now, if you live in Florida and you need to pick up 2 of the donuts and 2 of the Folgers, that $2 checkout 51 rebate is definitely going to work for you because you're going to have 2 items. So they'll be able to see that you didn't use a coupon on one set of the items. So you would definitely get back that $2. So this would still work out to a really good deal for you. Your total for the 4 items would be $11.58, minus that $3.59 coming off for the digital coupon, and then minus the $2 you'll get back from checkout 51. You'll end up paying $5.99 for all 4 items, 2 cans of coffee plus the 2 bags of donuts. So that's going to make each one of your items just $1.49. Not bad. So this was the first transaction that I did because I needed to test the amount that those BOGO coupons were going to deduct. And let me show you the close-up of my receipt. So we got the 3 10-packs, we got Folgers, and we got donuts and the Sistane. You guys, I paid $8.07 for all of that. And if I get the $2 back from checkout 51, all of this will be $6. That's incredible. This next item, I actually should have grabbed one in my first transaction too, but I'm definitely going to grab it in my second transaction, are the easy foil pans. I forgot about these. So these are buy one, get one for as low as $2.09, and we have a $1 digital coupon. So if you could pick up just 1 in half BOGO, it'll be $1.05. Minus the $1 coupon, this will be just 5 cents. But now if you have to pick up 2 in Florida, it'll be $1.09 for 2, or like 54 cents each. Either way, a good deal and something you want to grab. Pillsbury biscuits are buy one, get one for as low as $2.99, and we do have digital coupons. You might have $1 off one. I have as high as $1.50 off of 2. That'll make these just 75 cents each. These transactions worked out so beautiful. So here's another transaction that I did with the Easy Pan, 2 of the Pillsbury biscuits, the Sistane, and the Cafe Bustelo. After my digital coupons came off, it was $8.51. Then I got back the $8 from Fetch. It already made it a good deal. But that $3 that's also coming back from Ibotta, you guys, this was a moneymaker. I love this deal that we have on the Sargento cheese bakes this week. So these are buy one, get one for $5.79. So what you want to do is pick up 1 bag if you're in half BOGO because it works out a little bit cheaper that way. But if you're in Florida, of course, you want to pick up 2. Check your Ibotta app because we have $2 in cash back on these. So if you can just pick up 1, it'll be just 90 cents for 1 of these bags. And if you're in Florida and need to pick up 2, it would be $1.90 per bag. This week, the Springer Mountain Farm chicken wings are buy one, get one for $9.99. So you could pick up 2 bags for $9.99. Use 2 of the $1.50 printable coupons. It would make final cost $7 for 2 bags or $3.50 per bag of chicken wings. Not bad at all. My store does not have the varieties of the On the Border chips, these right here, that are included in this Ibotta rebate for $1 back. It has to be the roasted garlic or the lime and sea salt. My store does not have those. These are buy one, get one for $3.99. But if your store does, definitely pick those up because they'll be just 99 cents per bag. So the Oscar Mayer is back buy one, get one. This is the hot dogs once again this week. But this week, the beef are included. So if you want to grab this deal and you're on the old system, you want to grab $20 worth before the buy one, get one sale. And this is the 5 off of 20 digital coupon. I'm still going to hold on to this coupon for now, hoping that some bacon will go on sale soon. The easy way to do this deal would be to pick up 2 of the beef hot dogs and then 2 of the wieners. That would put you at the $20 mark. You would be at $22.46, and it doesn't doesn't matter what state you're in, but you do need to be on that old system. You would only pay half of that because of the buy one get one sale. So at the register, $11.23 is due. Minus that 5 off of 20 coupon, it would be $6.23 for 4 packs. When we divide that up, that makes them $1.55 per pack. And then if you still have your 5 off of 30 General Mills coupon, there are a lot of products that are included in that coupon this week. So you got the body armors, you can grab the singles, including the body armor water. You could also grab the 6 packs that are a good deal as well. And you could grab a whole bunch of stuff on the cereal. I'm not sure that I'm going to grab this deal today because I don't think I need the products, but I want to give you an example deal just to give you an idea of how much your out-of-pocket cost would be. So I would actually pick up 2 of these Body Armor Zeros because that's what I drink. So I'm going to pick up 2 of these to show you in my breakdown. But if you don't pick up the Body Armor Zeros, if you prefer these, you could also grab these as well. And then I would pick up 2 bags of these Nature Valley granolas. These look pretty good. They are buy one, get one for $5.99. And then because I do have digital coupons for the granola, I actually need to make sure that my total is at $32 instead of $30. So I'm going to add in a box of Cheerios to get me over that $30 mark to $32. If you live in Florida, I would pick up 2 bottles, like 2 single bottles of the Body Armor to get me to the $32 mark instead of these Cheerios. But since I live in a half BOGO state, I'm just going to pick up 1 of these. So I have 2 of the Body Armors at $8.49 BOGO. I have 2 of these for $5.99, and then I have 1 of these for $4.99. So that puts me at $33.95, which is over that $32 mark. So all of my coupons will come off because I think that the General Mills coupon for 5 off of 30 will come off, plus the $1 off of 2 for General Mills will come off of these 2 bags. And I have a 75-cent coupon for this. So I have $1.75 in additional coupons. So we're only going to pay half of this on the old system only. If you're on the new system, your total needs to be $30 worth of product after the buy one get one sale. So a much higher, you need to pick up a lot more products. But we'll be at $16.97 on the old system minus that $6.75 in digital coupons. I'll have to pay $10.22 at the register, and then I can also submit over to Ibotta. I have 75 cents back for the Cheerios. So that would make final cost $9.47 for all 5 of these items. That makes them $1.89 each, and for a 6-pack of Body Armor, that's a pretty good price. Next thing we're grabbing is some Dixie plates. You can get the bowls, you can get the plates, you can get any size that is buy one get one for $3.59. If you go on the Dixie website and sign up for coupons, they will email you this $1.50 printable coupon on 2. So we're going to pick up a total of 4 since I printed off 2 coupons. So that is going to make, after this $1.50 off a 2 printable coupon, I'm going to make these $1.80 for 2 or 90 cents per pack. We also have 50 cents back on checkout 51, and we also have a 50-cent digital coupon that you can use. So add in those savings if you prefer to use the digital savings instead of the printable ones. But I'm going for the printable since this is a higher value. The next thing I'm grabbing is the Brawny paper towels. So these are buy one get one for as low as $14.79 for the Terra Square. The other varieties are a little bit more expensive, but if you just grab 1 of these in half BOGO, it'll be $7.39. And we got a couple different coupon options. I'm going to be using the $1.50 printable coupons. We also have $2 back on swag bucks. We have $2 back on checkout 51. So if you want to do it all digital, you could just pick up 1 of these, submit back to swag bucks or checkout 51. It'll be $5.39 for 1. Now I'm going to try my luck at mixing both of these. So what'll happen is I'll pay $7.39 after the sale minus my $1.50 coupon. It'll be $5.89, and then I'm going to submit back to one of the apps for that $2 back. If that processes, it'll be $3.89 for 1 pack. And if you're in Florida and need to pick up 2 packs for $14.79, you could use a paper coupon for 1 and then submit to one of the rebate apps for the second one, giving you a total of $3.50 in savings, making it $11.29 for 2 or $5.64 each. And then I was about to head out and I had to go run and get my free ice cream. So tomorrow is my birthday, you guys, and At Publix, you guys know on your birthday, you get a free Publix ice cream or a free Publix bar cake. So we're definitely going to grab that. Now I'm going to turn this deal into a moneymaker because I'm also going to submit over to Checkout 51 for this offer right here that gives me $1 back on something sweet. So with that $1 back, plus this already being a freebie, this right here should be a $1
And then
profit.
this was my last transaction. Turned out to be my favorite because of the surprise that I got with the sustain. So I picked up the 4 Dixie plates plus the paper towels. Ended up $8.89 after my coupons came off. That was already a good deal. But then I submitted over to Checkout 51 for $3.50, and I submitted over to Ibotta and got back $5. So that makes final cost for this transaction just 39 cents. Absolutely amazing deals at Publix this week. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.